Hello, in today's tutorial I will show you how to do shorts from long jeans. So I've already folded the jeans which I want to cut, and I have a pair of shorts which I like the length of it. This will be a very easy tutorial. As you can see here, the actual jeans with a very tight and fit legging, so I will do it very simple. I will cut I think I will cut actually where these shorts finish, because these are a tiny bit longer what I would like to have, but very small amount. So I'm just going to do that. And this is it. But so you have two options. Either if you want them frayed, you can fray them off, but what I'm going to do a zigzag and then very slightly turn them around. It won't be even a very big one, but I'll show you in a moment the sewing machine. So this is a very easy tutorial. If you don't have sewing machine, you can actually do it by hand as well, or buy a little tape where you can put it and iron it. So you don't need to have a sewing machine to do it yourself, but I will show you with the sewing machine. And we are now going to do a zigzag stitch, so it's top fraying. And now we're going to create a very simple, just one turn with a straight stitch. So here is the end result. This was a very easy project. Look how nicely it turned out. Go and make your own shorts now and enjoy the summer. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like this mini and very sweet and easy tutorial. Thank you for watching, subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting. See you next time.